Hi guys! So I have another tutorial for you how to go from a little girl, a lass, to a lady, which is this look. Oh, just look at it. I'm in love, and I think I found a new favorite lip combination. So yeah, if you want to see how I go from lass to lady, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. Obviously, starting with prime the face, and I'm taking my Maybelline Monster Prime. I'm shaking it up because, yeah, sometimes it gets out liquidy, and I don't want that. We want the firm form of it. Just gonna warm it up between my fingers and apply it to my face. Now it's time to conceal, because as you can see, I have some friends here that I've picked on and all that. It's not because it's hormonal acne, no, I've been eating a lot of junk. So my skin is angry. So I'm taking my NYX Full Coverage Concealer in green, because we need to cover this up, and my Deluxe Crease Brush by Real Techniques. There we go. On top of all the redness, because when we look at the color wheel, we know that green is across red. And then the normal concealer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1. I need to get a new one of these, because I've just been using it and using it and using it. I love it so much. And then I'm just going to blend out with a foundation brush by BH Cosmetics. And then my foundation, the Makeup Revolution First Base Stick Foundation in F1. Let's take another, like that. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. Blend it into the green concealer and more redness. And then for powder, I'm taking my e.l.f. Loose powder, and this is the HD powder in translucent. I'm just gonna pour some into the lid. It is so lovely. Ooh, it's so finely milled. There. Just set your skin. And this one is just being a pain, but oh, we'll deal with it. That's the base done. Now I'm just gonna do the right side of my face and do my brows off camera, and then I will be back. Alright guys, time for the eye. I'm taking the, my eye primer. Doesn't need an introduction, but if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. This is the NYX HD eyeshadow base, my favorite. Just gonna blend that out now. And for this tutorial, I'll be using the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutral eyeshadow palette, because what I've seen of the tendencies is very into the red, and I don't have the Naked Heat or the Naked Cherry, so we stick with this one. It is just as good. So I'm just gonna grab my crease brush by BH Cosmetics and this taupe color. And apply that to the crease. As you can see, I'm feathering it out so I get more of an almond shape. Place the lips on the brush and applying to my lower lash line. Using the same brush, and I'm taking this red right here. It's like a brick red. And then I'm applying that on the top of the crease color. And also on the lower lash line. Grabbing my blending brush and blending the colors. I'm taking my shading brush by Real Techniques, and I'm taking this shadow. It's like a copper, more with a red undertone. It has a satin finish. I love this color. I'm applying that to the lid itself. You can see I'm using tapping, dabbing motions, whatever you like to call it. As you can see, it's so gorgeous, it's shiny. Grabbing the blending brush again and just kind of blend the crease and the lid. Taking my base shadow brush by Real Techniques, I'm taking the last of the reds, this dark, what can you say, almost plummy color. And I'm applying that to my outer corner. Forget the plummy, it's more of a burgundy, dark burgundy, and I'm also going into the crease with it. And just a tad out here. Oh, gorgeous. You guessed it, blending brush again. I need it to look so seamless. And then for a dash of shimmer glitter, I'm taking the NYX Roll-On Shimmer in Salmon. It is next level. Besides, it is Christmas, so we can allow ourselves to go a little bit extra out. I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. Next level. And if you find you have a little bit of glitter shimmer fallout, just take a brush and flick it away. And then for a highlight, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. It gives such a nice shimmery, highlight. As you can see, it just opens up the inner corner. And then for eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black and applying to my top lash line and winging it out as I've done over here. And for my inner rims, I'm taking the NYX Slide-On Eyeliner in Jet Black. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying the NYX Worth the Hype waterproof mascara in black. And I actually don't have any lash glue, so I can't put lashes on, but my lashes are quite long. But if you want to wear lashes, you do you. So I'll be right back. Now we're moving on to the rest of the face. I'm taking my NYX Blush and Taupe and my contour brush. Real Techniques. Just gonna contour the usual places. Then for blush, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Hot Spice and my blush brush and this this blush here. It's such a nice color. Gives that natural flush. And for highlight, the OG Mary Luminizer by the Balm, and I'm taking my setting brush for this. Tap the cheek. Oh, look at that! Gorgeous. Some on the nose bridge. Let's just take on the tip of the nose today. Just a little bit. Give it a smell. I'm gagging. I am dying. I am deceased. And then for the lips, I'm starting off by lining my lips with the lip liner by NYX in Natural. And yes, I know this needs to be sharpened. There, lips lined and filled in, and now I'm gonna take the Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX in Milan, because it is so good. If you ever doubt which lip color suits your eyes best, and just grab your lip colors and pull them up against your eyes and see if your eyes are happy. And my eyes are happy with this color, so on with this. This lip combo is gorgeous. And now we're finished. Oh my god, I'm in love with this look so much. And let's get the glasses on. Perfect. Even the color of my frames are just like matches. Oh, I'm in love. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias. There it was. And then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.